A special moment with happy tears after weeks of wishing and waiting.
I wish I can give you a hug or anything. Without you, my husband wouldn't be alive today. Thank you so much. It means so much to me.
53-year-old Enis Dedic had come back from his mother's funeral in Bosnia, and after days of small symptoms, he looked at his wife, Olivera.
March 15, he woke me up and he told me that he can't breathe. I had to take him to emergency.
He tested positive for COVID-19, and after being on a ventilator for 2 days, things weren't looking good.
Every phone call from the hospital, I was shaking.
His health was declining so fast at the hospital that they transferred him here to the John C. Lincoln Medical Center to increase his ventilation. That's when they tried something completely out of the box to see if they could save him.
ECMO itself is a pretty rare service that we offer, but when there's nothing else left to help save the patient, this is where we go.
Dr. Robert Riley and Dr. Anselmo Garcia with Honor Health are co-directors of the ECMO machine program. The ECMO machine removes blood from a patient's body, pumps oxygen into it, then pumps it back into the body to help the lungs and heart. Enis was in a coma for 10 days on the ECMO machine, and
on day 11, he did wake up, and thankfully that was the case.
He was able to FaceTime Olivera, who hadn't gotten to see her husband.
The first time when I have a FaceTime with him, it was crazy. It was really hard. It was really hard.
Not only was Enis the first COVID survivor from ECMO treatment in Arizona, he's also one of the first in the world. As of today, he's breathing on his own and is officially negative for coronavirus. Dr. Riley and Dr. Garcia are now working on a state task force to train other ECMO centers in Arizona, as well as fielding calls from around the country on their success. And for Olivera, she's so thankful to get to see her husband again soon.
I promised the nurses in the ICU that I'm going to bring him because they want to see him 100% recover.
In Phoenix, Brianna Whitney for Arizona's Family.